Blood on the leaves. Mm-mm-mm. It is a bloody day, y'all. Red in the street. Blood in the street. All right, so let's talk about those red days. As my guy Chris Sang says, when there's blood in the street, it's time to eat. In a reference of we are sharks. Warren Buffett says, when people are fearful, that's when you're greedy. And when people are greedy, that's when you get fearful. Checking the fear and index meter here, we're fearful. You can check that on CNN. So definitely take a look at that periodically. But I want to share some things that have helped me along the way during my investment journey. So starting off, I opened up a brokerage account with Robinhood and Fidelity, as well as a custodial account for my kids. And also, I set price alerts so that way I'm immersed and I'm constantly knowing what's going on in the market. In addition to that, some books that have helped me along the way, the Richest Man in Babylon, that's helped me a lot, a great deal, and taught me a lot about knowing what you're getting involved with. Cashflow Quadrant, my favorite book by Robert Kiyosaki. Definitely, you want to get the psychology of money, how to rewire your brain and the framework, and how you view and see money and how it moves itself. Trading the trends definitely taught me about trend lines. As you see, I'm charting right now, and that gave me an insight on primary trends. And the following that, Money Master the Game. I'm currently listening to that one now. Good book. Never really been in too much of a Tony Robbins guy, but this book has definitely got some gems in it. Want to check that out. And then latte factor. This really simplifies like investing. Highly recommend you read it. It's very good as far as just letting you know what to set aside, increments of money to invest in. And then Who Moved My Cheese? I love this book. I actually need to go back and read it again because it teaches you how to adapt, especially when circumstances and the markets change. You gotta, be nimble. So Who Moved My Cheese is definitely a game changer. This is for the majority. Steer clear of options. I know they want to make you seem like you need to get in right now, but be careful. Long-term investing is really the way you want to go. Especially when you're starting out, definitely do your research. Now everybody has a different interests in topics, and so for me, I'm pretty interested in this whole topic. So I did a lot of reading, a lot of research, a lot of watching videos, and looking at different distant mentors, if you will. Wall Street Trapper, Chris Sane, Tory Trades, Earn Your Leisure, EYL, Ian, the Master Investor. Got in some different, cohorts and trading groups and things of that nature, to just further my knowledge base, which helped me a lot. I definitely recommend trying to find your tribe. Your tribe will match your vibe. And find a community where you can, discuss, because sometimes the journey can get lonely. You think you might be doing something wrong, and it might just be normal, the normal ebbs and flows of this journey. So know that FOMO is real. That's probably one of the biggest things, is managing your emotions as well with this, because you'll feel like you missed out on something, or you're chasing the hype of something. So I utilize limit orders a lot. I'll chart. I'll find support resistance lines, and I'll pick. I'll watch the watch list. Excuse me, and as you can see here, and I'll understand and learn the behavior of a stock, do some charting to make sure, the trend lines and things of that nature. So definitely utilize that limit order, set it, forget it, and adjust accordingly, but don't chase the stock. Try to manage those emotions, drink a lot of water, and invest wisely.